Hey, so I'm going to walk you through the two different ways to create a question and to add them to your question library. So to access your question library, you click on the icon of question, and you will see all the questions that is already pre-populated. But I want to create some new questions. You have two options. One is to create the question manually or utilizing our AI. So to create the questions manually, you choose create manually. You have two question type. One is the video interview. The other one is multiple choice. With the video interview, it's very straightforward. This is like the title. So let's say this is about job experience. And you can say, what is your experience with handling customer customer rejection? And this is where the key information is where you want to include some information that you want the person to state in their answer. So you can say asking asking questions about why the person rejected. Mhm. You can say displaying emotional intelligence in their response. And you could choose the domain communication, and just like that, you can save to a library. Now let's say I want to generate the rubric from the question I created manually. Hit the edit, and now we can generate the rubric, the criteria that our system is going to use. Based on the key information, does the candidate describe a specific instance of or example of experiencing customer rejection in a professional context? You see the other ones. You can add more criteria. You can remove it. You can delete it. Now, let's say I don't have time and I want to utilize our AI. We have different options of to generate the questions. One is the JD, a specific skill or a topic. So let's say I want to use a JD. I attached it and I come up with three questions. It could be video question, multiple choice, or mix. So I can say create questions related to the attached job description. So I created the video. Matter of fact, for the purpose, let's do mix and let's do for generate. Now you see our system is thinking. You see how it is using the JD that I uploaded, the key areas, the difficulty of the question. Now it generated the second video question. Now it's drafting the multiple choice question. So it's all here. You see it's working behind the scenes. And about is going to come up with is almost done. It's coming up with the answer, both multiple choice questions with 5 options. Here it goes. hmm So you had 2 video questions related to the job description. They have the multiple choice, and it's going to come with the final multiple choice. So it is done with creating the question